This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, November the 4th, 2012. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we see some energy moving across the Great Lakes and another batch of energy coming across the northwesterly flow up in the northern plains up into Canada. And with that, we could see some spits of some showers, maybe a bit of snow up in the Dakotas. GFS wants to put a little bit of rain around here. There could be some sprinkles, but it looks to be mainly dry here today with highs in the 40s and 50s. We head off into Monday. The rain chance is a little bit better, but looking more across the south and western counties with highs still remaining in the 40s and 50s. It'll be mainly cloudy elsewhere, so no real peaks of sun. But Tuesday, this is a bit different now. There could be a slight chance of a few showers, especially in the early morning hours, in the morning into the very early afternoon in the northern and eastern counties. Otherwise, temperatures in the 50s, even in here into Wednesday, as a nor'easter runs up the coast. Not as strong as Sandy, but we'll see some partly to mostly sunny skies with 50s. And into Thursday, it'll be mainly in the 50s as the storm begins to gather off to our west, and that's going to be the next one to watch coming around Veterans Day weekend. We head into Friday here. We have a system that could bring some showers around, very isolated at this, maybe 20 to 30%, with highs still remaining in the 50s, maybe nearing 60 in the southern counties. And on Saturday, the low pressure will be between Watertown and Sioux Falls in South Dakota. Some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two developing, mainly Saturday afternoon and into the evening. And a week from today on Sunday, you can see this very fast flow, lots of energy across our neck of the country with a trough digging in from Canada. And this is going to push the cold front to our east, and there's a possibility that the rain could switch to some white stuff on Sunday night into Monday. We'll see if that happens in later models. A couple days later, on the 15th, we have another trough. The energy not as impressive as the Veterans Day storm, but nonetheless, there's a lot more cold air with this one, so this could come down in the form of snow, maybe some sleet, with highs possibly only in the 30s. So it's November after all, so that's going to happen. But looking at the end of the forecast on the 19th, the pattern goes zonal. And with a zonal flow from west to east, no real surges of cold air. But by this time of November, we normally would see highs in the 40s, and that looks to be the case here with some snow up to our north, some rain and showers to our south as we head toward Thanksgiving by that point. Last night's satellite image showed some low and mid-level clouds around here with a bit of drizzle, especially in Minnesota moving into northern Iowa. Some showers and thunderstorms in the south, and some clouds with a few showers up in the Rocky Mountain states. Watch warning map from last evening. A few severe thunderstorm warnings were down in Texas and across the mid-south scattered about. Freezing rain advisory in North Dakota into northeastern Montana with the wind advisory there as well. And elsewhere, it's fairly quiet at this time. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock showing about a tenth to maybe a third of an inch of rain around here, especially with this storm today or later today into Monday with the heaviest across the north and east.